Okay, so this very short video will hopefully do three things. First of all, it will show you how to pair a single remote control to your LCD controller. One of those. How to pair a second one if you want to. There might be two of you, we just want a spare. Or how you can turn your heater on if you're actually out of range. Maybe if you want to warm the van up in the morning before you drive off, or maybe just coming back from a walk, quarter of a mile out, you want to get the heater going to warm up in readiness, how you can do that. Okay, now for clarity, this is for the rectangular controller with the fan icon that's got 6 blades. 6 blades. Now it may work for other controllers, but this is targeted for that particular one. So, first of all, how to pair a single remote. Very, very easy. You press and hold the OK button, and then you press the up arrow until you see HFA come on the screen, and we'll do that now. Right, now simply get your remote and press either the on or off button, and you see it drops back to the main display. That is now paired. Let's try it out. I'll just set the temperature up. There you go. I'm on thermostatic mode, and you see as you do it the little aerial antenna icon flashes away. Very, very easy. Okay, so if you want a second remote, what you can't do is just go and buy one and do that same pairing operation. The 433 megahertz convention has a whole range of codings that go in there because so many remotes use that frequency, and if you didn't have that, you could just go around turning everyone's heaters on and off as you walk by their vans. So you have to buy what's called a copy remote or a clone remote. Do a search on eBay, there's millions of them. Now you can see there's two remotes here. This is my original one, and this is the copy remote that I bought. Looks identical, but this is a copy remote. So the instructions on how to program should come with the clone, but this is what I do on mine, and they're much the same because I've had a few of these. So this is the clone. And first of all, you press and hold 2 buttons, and if you see that LED in the middle, that's flickering. That means it's now cleared down, ready to clone. Now this is tricky, I've got to do 2 hands here. So now to clone it, I press and hold 1 button on the clone, and then I press the same button on the original, and then you see it's flickering on the clone. That's now programmed. Same on the next one, press and hold on the clone, on the original, flicking away. That one, hold, oh, wrong way again, hold, press and hold, flicking away, and finally the last button, press and hold on the clone, and then on the original, blue light flickers. That means in theory the clone is now programmed. Let's go and try it out. Remote, I got my original one and I got my clone. So let's just try the temperature settings at the moment. Actually I got it on manual mode, so it'll be manual hertz as a lot of people call it. There you go, pressing the clone, pressing the original, and what I'll do is I'll just use the clone now to turn it on. There you go, perfect. Right, but what if you want longer distance? Well, what you can do if you don't have internet but you do have a mobile phone, it's very easy to build a text switch so you can turn your heater on and off by text. And you do not have to be any fancy electronics engineer to do it. If you can do basic wiring, it's quite easy to do. And at the end of this video, on the end screen, there'll be a card. If you click on that, it will take you to another video that gives you a step-by-step description on how to build one. So I hope this short video has been of use to pair your remote control to your LCD controller, pair a second one. But if you want to go for a bigger range, click on the video at the end of the screen telling you how to build a text switch, and that will sort you out.